Oh, you didn't go off. Thanks a lot. Same thing with you.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has warning for Central Clark County and Central
The free iHeart app is the perfect
Garrett County in Central Kentucky, Southern Jackson County in Central Kentucky, Northern Madison County in Central Kentucky, Southeast and Mercer County in Central Kentucky until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the
Here we go. Got that one.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Central Clark County in Central Kentucky, Northwestern Garrett County in Central Kentucky, Southern Jessamine County in Central Kentucky, Northern Madison County.
Urgent care needs.
Source
Of your faith every time.
5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
New station found.
As well as other poor drainage and low-lying
99.0.
that will experience flash floodings are expected. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include flood deaths to current vehicles. Winchester, Harrodsburg, Bergen, Valley View, Bluegrass, Baldwin, Union, and Cusick. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. At this time. Further information statement. Fathers are welcome to report
The thing is, I think I issued this alert because the thing is, I just reported flash flooding to the National Weather Service in Louisville. That's very scary.